Hi, good morning. Teacher Gaya here for your English lesson. Today is Unit 1. Let's chat. Our activity today is speaking activity. Are you all ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, as I said, we are still in chapter 1. Let's chat. Alright, so look at the 4 pictures and describe the activities they show. So you have 4 pictures here. Picture A showing that a boy is playing a video game. Picture B is about sports activity. Picture C is bungee jumping. Picture D is it's a art class. All right. And look at the questions here. How would you describe the activities shown? All right. Look at the 4 pictures again, and each pictures you describe the activity. And how would you describe? Is it challenging, entertaining, or you would say it's a lonely activity? And look at the second question. Which activity is better for groups and which for individuals? So you see if picture A, video game, it's better for groups or it's a game for individuals. And question number 3. Are any of these activities popular with people your age? People your age, okay, your age, you are a teenager. You have to choose which activity is popular, or you take all the pictures and describe whether it's a popular activity for people your age or not. Question number 4. Do you do any of these activities? Why or why not? You do or not? Okay. If you do, you give reason. If you don't do, also you give reason. And then question number 5 is which activity would you like to take up? So if you are given a choice, diberi peluang, which one you will take? You will go for A, B, C or D. Alright. Alright, so now look at the second box here. So you have few words here. Alright, first dangerous, lonely, active, teamwork, creative, artistic, and then all these words you can use these words to help you to describe the pictures. And also these phrases to help you. This activity seems to be okay. You can use any of these phrases to help you to speak later on. I believe video game is good for people my age. In my opinion, bungee jumping is good because it can help you to keep fit, something like that. All right, so the tips is this is a speaking lesson, so you have to speak clearly. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Correct yourself if you can, otherwise just continue speaking. Don't worry. If you can't remember a word, don't stop speaking, try to use another word. All right, do you understand? So this is task 1. Alright students, now we move on to task 2. Look at the 2 pictures here. 2 pictures here. Okay, the first one is laptop, the second one is desktop computer. Alright, and then you look at the box underneath the pictures. Okay, from this box you can get an idea of the phrases you can use. Alright, so for example, you see one of the advantages or disadvantages of having a what laptop or desktop is what they are more useful for, and then you give reasons. Alright, so the box is to help you with the phrases that you can use. When you speak, you can use these phrases to help you to speak, to get the points correct. Alright, next is you have to read through the box on the right, which contains some of the words you can use while comparing and contrasting the two types of computers. And make sure you haven't got any unknown words here. Alright, let's go through here. Portable, convenient, takes up room, heavy or light, cheap or expensive, difficult to repair, powerful, easy to steal, small keyboard, more or fewer cables, smaller, larger memories, battery needs charging, and screen size. Okay, any unknown words here? Okay, I hope all these words are familiar for you. If you don't know any words, you can ask me, you can inbox me. Okay, next is there are two things you need to discuss. First, number one, listen carefully. Yeah, there are two things you need to discuss. Number one is the differences between the two types of computers. Okay, so laptop and desktop. So you have to talk about the differences perbezaan, differences between the two types of computers. Okay, number two is what you like or dislike about each type of computer. All right, so what you like or dislike about each type of computer. For example, laptop. What you like about laptop? It is very light, can carry anywhere. What you don't like about laptop? So maybe what you don't like about laptop, maybe you can say it is difficult. Screen is you can say screen is smaller, or anything which comes to your mind. All right. Next is once you record your answer clearly. Okay, let's look at the task again. The first task, you have two tasks here. Record a voice note, or you can also record a video talking about the four activities shown previously by using the prompts below. This is for task 1. How would you describe the four activities? Dangerous, lonely, teamwork. So you have to record and in a full sentence. You talk in a full sentence. If you want to say your point is dangerous, you say in a full sentence. Okay, I think the first activity is very dangerous because you talk like that. And the second one is which activity is better for groups and which for individuals? And are any of these activities popular with people your age? Next is, do you do any of these activities? Why or why not? And then which activity would you like to take up? So all these must be in your answer for task 1. And then task 2, the advantages or disadvantages of having laptops or desktop computers. This is for task 2. Alright, for task 2 you have to cover two things, the differences between the two types of computers, and then what you like or dislike about each type of computer. And then for this task 1 and task 2, you record in one audio or one video only. Don't send me 2 files. Alright? You record and you send me to English WhatsApp group. Our English WhatsApp group. You send your recordings. You send your audio or video. Send to the English WhatsApp group and then you send in one file. Remember, so that I can compile all your audio and then put in the Google Classroom. Alright. Okay, maybe you can take a screenshot of this page so that it can help you to talk, speak, and send your answers, send your tasks in audio form or video form to me before end of the lesson. Understand? Alright, that's all for today's lesson. Speaking lesson part 1 and part 2. I hope to receive your answers before end of the lesson. I will be waiting for your answers. Alright, bye.